Namaste. Jagriti channel welcomes you all. Today we will learn about the connection between our hands and the heart. All organs are connected to the 5 heart centers. Hands are directly connected to the heart. When you know the kind of energy that exists in your hands, you can call forth and activate that energy. This is the reason why it is important to know the knowledge of your own hands. That is the sole idea of this session. Whatever we do with our hands will have direct effect on our heart. Hands have many different kinds of energies, many frequencies. Our hands are connected to various planets like Mercury, Venus. Anyway, we are connected with Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto, Neptune. Our hands are also connected with various animals, various crystals, and different precious stones. Today we will learn about the various animals that are connected with our palms and fingers. Of course, we have different set of animals for right hand and left hand. Fingers are connected with animals. When you ask for activation of that animal energy, which means you are actually activating that quality of the animal. For example, your right palm. The middle of your right palm contains the energy of white lion, which is a symbolic representation of king of self-realization. When you awaken the white lion energy within your palm, then you are awakening the self-realization. You will start understanding, you will start realizing who you really are, what you are doing really, what are you supposed to do. You will get self-realization. This energy has also connection with many more goddesses, maybe Kuan Yin, Sekhmet, Isis, and even the right hand's middle finger contains the energy of eagle, which is innovation and exploration. When you activate the energy of eagle, you will start getting innovative ideas. You will start exploring your own life. You will understand your life in a better way. You will start using your life in an innovative way. The index finger of your right hand is connected with the energy of raven, a black crow. It carries the energy of death and transformation. Means when you activate this energy, the death of old, unwanted belief systems, ideology, thought patterns, all those old stuff which is not necessary, it will be transformed and you will start leading the path of your soul design. The ring finger of your right hand contains the energy of snake, which is grounding and balance. Pinky finger of your right hand contains the energy of golden bee, which carries the qualities of truth and illusionary nature. The illusionary nature, to use illusion to discover more of yourself. That is, when you connect with the golden bee energy, you will understand in which type of illusionary world you are living, which illusion is holding you back, which illusion is affecting you. When you understand your own illusionary nature, then automatically you understand your own self, and you will start opening up for your own truth, and you will start walking the truthful path. The thumb of your right hand carries the energy of phoenix, inner strength to get up once again in life and believe in yourself. This is about your right palm. Now we will learn about the various energies of left palm and left fingers. The middle of your left palm contains white dragon called Himari, creative inspiration. As you activate Himari, you will start awakening the creative inspirational energies of your own self. When you showcase your creative skills, others will get inspired. The energy of your left thumb contains unicorn, a celestial light of the universe. You will get connected to the celestial light of the universe. The left index finger holds the energy of Puma, mystical knowledge and power to follow one's own dream and discover one's own truth. It is nothing but the energy of Archangel Michael. You will be able to activate the Archangel Michael's energy through your left index finger. Left hand middle finger, condor bird. It bridges the gap between realities. When you awaken this condor light, you'll get connected with the new Kundalini energies coming from Andes Mountains. For every 10,000 years cycle, the Kundalini originates from different parts of the earth. Now, the Kundalini, that is new Kundalini energies, are coming from Andes Mountains. You can get connected with this energy through your left middle finger. By activating condor bird energy, it helps in reconnecting with your higher reality. You will start accepting yourself. Left hand ring finger represents antelope, action with compassion. When this is activated, it awakens and it gets you connected with goddess energies. This is the reason why wedding rings are placed to the left hand ring finger, because it activates the energy of action with compassion. The left pinky finger connected with penguin, ability to transform. Now we will do the exercise to activate the hands. First, open your right hand, right palm, and become aware of your palm and fingers. Say these affirmations along with me. I awaken the white lion within my palm. I awaken the eagle within my fingers. I awaken the raven within my fingers. I awaken the snake within my fingers. I awaken the golden bee within my fingers. I awaken the phoenix within my fingers. You may start feeling energy in any one finger or all the fingers, and you can use that finger to bring healing to your own self. Now you can open your left palm, left fingers, You become aware of your left palm and left fingers. Say these affirmations along with me. I awaken the Himari, white dragon energy. Chant with me. Himari, Himari, Himari. I awaken the unicorn energies within my fingers. I awaken the Puma energy within my fingers. I awaken the Condor energy within my finger. I awaken the Antelope energy within my fingers. I awaken the Penguin energy within my fingers. Feel the activation. Feel the energy of your fingers and palm. You will be able to integrate these qualities within yourself. Your hands are so powerful. They manifest healing energies. They let the healing energies flow. And once you feel the energies in the palm, bring either left hand or right hand in front of your heart. The other hand above your head. And breathe in the awakened energy of the palm. Let it be encoded into the brain. Let the energy pass through your medulla oblongata and into your spinal cord. You can feel the energy flow. As you feel the energy flow in your brain, you can bring down the hand and put it on top of the other hand which is placed on your heart. You are healing yourself very deeply. Stay like that for some time. Thank you.